Tired of to-dos changing on you in Basecamp? Let's lock those bad woes down. Hey project champions, today, we are going to create uneditable to-dos in Basecamp. Perfect for milestones, crucial decisions, or anything you want to keep rock solid first. Navigate to the project where you want to add your uneditable to-do. Now, head over to the to-dos section within your selected project, click on the Add a To-Do List button, and give your new list a relevant name like Project Milestones or Final Decisions. Alright, now for the magic. Instead of adding a standard to-do, we're going to use a document. Click New at the top of the screen, and then select Document. Treat this document like a to-do. Give it a title describing the task or milestone. Type out the description of your to-do just as you would if it were a regular to-do item. Be clear and concise because this information will be uneditable. Click the green Post-it button. Now, here's the key. This document is now a static record of your to-do. It can't be accidentally changed, ensuring that crucial decisions or milestones remain documented exactly as intended. Think of it as a permanent, uneditable to-do. You can still comment on it, discuss progress, but the core information remains untouched, preventing any unwelcome surprises down the line. Use these uneditable to-dos for your project's important things, helping you to keep everything on track. Now go forth and conquer those projects.